Today, I'm fusing two of my favorite dishes in the world, and the result is absolutely amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today, we're making risotto alla carbonara. The first thing that we need to do is prep a couple of ingredients. We want to finely dice, and I mean finely dice, one shallot and set aside. Then we got a beautiful guanciale here. I want to slice this up into really small cubes. We're going to put 4 egg yolks in a bowl. Then we want to grate 4 ounces of Pecorino Romano and set aside. We're going to place the cube guanciale in a pan over medium heat. And then we want to slowly cook this until a lot of the fat has rendered out and they have a nice crust. We want to set aside the guanciale and pour all the fat in a bowl. We're going to mix the egg yolk with the pecorino cheese. And when cool, we want to add the reserved guanciale fat. We want to stir this and set aside. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's start cooking the risotto. We're going to add some olive oil to a pan. Then we're going to add the shallots and cook until translucent. Then we want to add 1 cup of arborio rice. Now we want to heat up the rice without burning it. When it starts to shimmer a little bit, now it's time to add some white wine, a cup or so. We want to cook the wine into the rice, and when almost completely absorbed, we're going to start ladling some pork broth. We're going to add a little bit at a time, then we're going to stir. A lot of love goes into the risotto, and we're going to do this until the rice gets to al dente, which takes about 20 to 25 minutes. The rice has lost the starchy flavor, and it's really creamy. Now it's time to remove the pan from the heat source. Now we're going to add the yolk cheese mix and go through the mantecare, where we slowly emulsify the fat and the rice, which create that amazing creaminess that risotto is known for. We're going to plate the risotto in a thin layer. Then we're going to add the guanciale on one side of the risotto. On the other side, we're going to place an egg yolk and a couple of pieces of shaved Parmesan Reggiano. And then this beautiful risotto alla carbonara is ready to serve. And that is how I make my risotto alla carbonara. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this. So let's stir it around, get that egg yolk and the guanciale all mixed up, and here we go. Oh, so creamy, so rich, and so good. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Oh, this is amazing. Hey.